Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. On my monitoring spirit that they call Ben Jacobs, don't come aside and they let us know say Man City and Arsenal don't verbally agree Gabriel Jesus fee. And Babako they let us know say in the coming days, like in the next 7 to 10 days, this deal go be completed, because for the salary with Arsenal won't give Gabriel Jesus around that kind 220 to 264,000 pounds weekly. And at the same time, say Man City they look for a £45 million base fee. Then the rest will be add-ons. Don't say officially they just say Man City wanted £50 million, but Arsenal no give them that £50 million exactly because Man City no say add-ons and bonus will still be part of the deal. So they are looking at a £45 million base fee, like that one I go give a cash, then the rest fee be like add-ons. Okay, if you do so things, now give them additional so. Even said they give Gabriel Jesus an incentive. Say okay, if Arsenal qualify for Champions League, Arsenal will pay £17 million per year in salary and fees, because for the present deal now the guy going to go home with like 16 million per year. You know, Arsenal sell the project to Jesus gone, like they say you are going to be the focal point, you are going to be the face of the project to get. Like even go for Spurs now, Spurs no really go make an face of the project, I see Benjamin. So that is why the guy can't choose Arsenal. So he don't ready to sign for Arsenal. Well, almost the watch since they go. And Baba see the talk say Tottenham Hotspur don't pull out of the race because they say they don't get any choice, they no fit sign and the guy no will come join them because they get Son, Ken, Kulusevski, Lucas Moura for front. Where the guy won't come stay? I don't even understand what to make Conte say they go for it. Well, it is what it is. More the watch since they go. On my way from that self, when they hear say Arsenal the plan improved bid for Leeds Raphinha. Now I'm monitoring spirit they got the Guardian of the UK, and then they let us know this one. You know say Leeds already turned down Arsenal first proposal. So Arsenal they look say if they bring a revised offer, then Leeds go fit accept for Raphinha. Well, I pray say so it go be more the watch as everything go, because Arsenal self really need that Raphinha, because at that time the ginger the recruitment wing of Arsenal say make una help me get this guy, I need him, I need another winger to replace Pepe, make help me get this guy. Even Tottenham Hotspur self don contact Leeds say they wan bid for the guy. I don't just understand shey na anybody wey Arsenal reason wey Arsenal look na Spurs self go wan buy. I don't just understand, they no get their own scouts. So this one official we hear say na Guardian say they talk am say Spurs don contact Leeds say we hear say this na oti say people wan buy am, so we sef one price am. So we go send our bid anytime soon, yeah. And even we call say Chelsea owner sef Ted Boyle sef don even call Leeds as in one don call them by himself say how far Raphinha wetin dey sup. So we sef wan sign am, well anyhow wey the thing dey go I go let una know. At the same time, considering this Raphinha the Leeds dey reason Cody Gakpo of PSV say now they go use to replace Raphinha, because Leeds wants a £65 million for a Raphinha, like confirm cash. No be say Baka dey offer 40 wey dem no gba, you get. So for you to sign am, you know say if Baka Almighty Baka fit dey offer 40 dem no gree, na im say nothing dey stop for the guy. So you say you gats offer above £65 million na they need, so that they go use and settle some kind things for their club, buy some kind players. And wetin make this Baka deal no go through, because they already agree personal terms. Even the price that 40, Leeds at one time they already agree, but it is on condition say Leeds go relegation. If they say Leeds go relegation, the thing go trigger relegation clause waiting for Raphinha contract. Then Baka for just carry the guy for £40 million. But as they can't escape relegation on the last day, we Burnley can't go as they escape am. They say, that £40 million, you know they feasible again. We not sound like that though. That is why Baka no confident get enough money to come by him. Now they need to sell Frankie De Jong to add extra £25 million for the 40 million gets to collect the guy. Because Leeds Nation say, if you don't feel pay 65, but leave for people who get money. If you don't get money, they leave one. Man, they don't pass in Bayern Munich medical. They don't even unveil am. I see the thing yesterday. The thing sweet my belly. So now it is left for Gnabry to know wetin dey sup. So how Gnabry go do, where he go move anytime soon. Now I go start to hear Gnabry news now anytime soon. We'll just watch. Even Atlanta director wey they call Lee Conjertin say Baba don come outside come dey talk say they like to sign Nuno Tavares from Arsenal, but where the problem come dey now be say Tavares is contracted to Arsenal, you get, so they no go fit carry am, and it is very difficult to sign players from English clubs. Now wetin Baba just talk. Instead, make dem take am out on loan, because I thought it was a loan that was put on the table, say take him out on loan, because we sef also wan sign Lisandro Martinez, because the guy dey play left back, so that he can be replacing Anita wetin and get injury, go fit draft am enter. So make Tavares go. Tavares need to go and learn more on the job, go and develop, because we are just drafting him from Benfica straight to the first level. No. Go and learn more, develop. He's still a young lad, in the future he will get better. The guy good, he get one kind of blistering pace, and positioning. Just because of saying no play for a very long time, he was now match rusty. Make the guy just go play. If he go play, he will be better. Jack Wilshere sef don come outside, come dey talk about Raphinha coming at Arsenal. So Baba come talk say he would like to see Raphinha enter Arsenal, come play for Arsenal, because the guy dey very very good. Ever since when he come from outside, come enter EPL, the guy just adapt to EPL. Just dey play, dey score. For the guy to score 11 goals for Leeds, e no easy na. Leeds wey be small club. If you come dey Arsenal, how many goals you come dey score? Arsenal, we say dem get creative players wey go dey open door for am, making dem unlock and dey burst net. Look at our own highest goal scorer, 12 goals with how many penalty? Look at Raphinha, 11 goals. E no easy na. At least if say Pepe dey score 11 goals before they complain, we no go complain na. So Raphinha will be a massive upgrade on the wings if he comes. Even Johan Njoru don come outside, dey comment for Arsenal page when Arsenal dey unveil Fabio Vieira. So Baba come talk say this is going to be our own Bernardo Silva, and everybody knows if they compare a player to Bernardo Silva, that means you are doing something very very good. Like, people hold you in high esteem, they like what you are doing. So everything now when the match EPL will start, and the guy said don't talk say he can't wait to start to see how things they go. And the guy dey very lanky. No let that lankiness fool you. The guy good gun, the guy get pace, the guy get creativity, the guy na visionary, the guy na seer, the see road. I can't wait to watch him play. Arsenal dey complain say that they struggle to find a suitor for Nicolas Pepe ever since when dem put Pepe for transfer wish list. Dem put Pepe for transfer market, say wan sell this player out £25 million. Imagine somebody dey buy £72 million from Lille how many years ago. So we wan sell am 25. No suitor, nobody, zero approach, nobody don cover for you to know how bad the guy dey. Even for outside England, nobody has come. Even if na loan with an obligation to buy, nobody. Na the kind of person who will go buy £72 million. Hey, God Almighty. When I see that report, the team pay me gone. Now, how did we go do am? Because we wan sign winger, we go replace am. Shey people will come dey for Benjamin like Ozil, now not collecting any game time, but they collect money. Shey na wetin we wan do again? I wan continue in contract, give me can free agent. Na wow. Because if this guy continue to replace, the guy dey earn £240,000 per week. Times time by how many weeks in a year? 52 weeks. May know how much in millions where the guy go to collect. So you should know better more just see contract may find this coil. Even Olympic myself don't come outside say then they interested in signing Lucas Torreira. Say they need the guy because the guy don't cry. Say he no get club. Even Arsenal don't offer him to Lazio. Lazio no concrete collect him. So I don't know. Marcel and Torreira, how na see the deal. I don't know whether they get money to buy the guy. But they buy him, and what's he gonna do, Marcel? You see now Arsenal be their shop right. And this month they don't enter Arsenal, start to the shop for players. What's be their owner? Now only here they buy players. I just understand. Tottenham Hotspur interest in Richarlison. Many sources don't come as I call it. Talk say the team they very very exaggerated. Say Tottenham Hotspur no really they interested in the guy, because if truly say then they interested in Richarlison, what's they going to fight for Raphinha side? Because these two players they are wingers. What's he going to fight for that side? So now waiting me I no can understand when many people they complain say it no make sense. Phase one, sign one, make phase one, and you don't already get Kulusevski, get everybody, Lucas Moura. So where you want to put all these wingers? I don't just understand how they want to do it, because game time must be a problem. Because if somebody don't they play now, one day inform, okay, you go bench and come put another person. I don't know. I mean, because of 5 months substitution when they come in next season, they want to take advantage of all this and like Lucas Moura play, no do it, come out and put Richarlison, play, come out and put Raphinha. I mean, how they want to do all these things? Well, what they watch, my own be say the kind of proposition we will give players. Them no fit give them fine, they get Champions League, but we will get game time. We will say, Baba, if you join us, you go be the focal point. We will get game time. We will play week in week out. But if you go there, you go play. If you don't even play the Champions League, the Champions League, we see na 10 minutes to go, they'll come put you. So stay here with us. So, well, that's our own selling point. Arteta self don't come outside. They thank the recruitment wing for Arsenal for helping him to sign Fabio Vieira. So Baba Conto say this Fabio is a very very creative player. we go feed the create chances for other players to come and score. That is why they sign the guy. Say the guy has special talent. Just imagine having this guy with an Odegaard playing the same time for the same midfield. It no go make sense. Me two of them, they be like Xavi and Iniesta. Oh God, and I can't wait to see two of them. I never know that. Now so I think I go set up information about even set up move like that. It go make sense. Even Fabrizio Romano said don't come outside call the talk say Arsenal and Man City still dey work on Gabriel Jesus. You say talks dey in progress, very sweet progress. Say the deal dey take time because the deal na very big deal. You get, so we just get patience. In no time everything go dey sorted out. So for the player side, progress, massive progress dey go. So no cap. The Arsenal they move forward and you see the whole world, the whole pundits, everybody talks say Arsenal is leading the race. Arsenal advanced negotiation, talks in progress. All these things just give me sweet, my sweet vibes. Now this morning, go. I just see this particular Romano update. Just drop am like 5 minutes before I start to shoot. So this one I confirm confidence today for my body. Say Arsenal go get this resource. Like with the Ben Jacobs talk in the next 7 to 10 days. So we go get positive outcome. Well, hold the watch, no fact. Even David Einstein said, we be one of our super pundits, don't come outside say Arsenal they go in strongly for Lisandro Martinez. Say Mikel Arteta really hold the guy in high esteem. Number one, we say the guy is a left-sided centre back. We go fit the pair with Gabriel Magalhaes in case Magalhaes get injury. They go fit drafting the guy and I like for like. At the same time, the guy can cover for left back, can cover for defensive midfield, can cover for left wing back. The guy did very good left midfield rather. The guy did very good and versatile. That is why Mikel Arteta the reason the guy say we need this kind of player. We cover different positions because nobody know how next season will be. Next season, it will be very strenuous, many stress because imagine we play just one competition this season we just passed only league and some cups. See how many injuries we get. Now come compare them, come add them Europa League. We say we want to play every 3 days. Add them will come be. So that's what it is. Well, we'll watch. Many information can come outside for Matt Turner and Charles Watts, who will be one of our Arsenal correspondents. That can give us extra info about Matt Turner. So Baba Kondo say this Matt Turner now be goalkeeper of the year for 2021 for USA, and at the same time said the guy is a member of MLS All-Star team and now be the most valuable player when they play MLS All-Star game. So the guy no be small like I told you before, say I check in YouTube, the guy get mad reflexes. And the guy said don't come outside talk say see Ramsey, me I don't come stay for Benjamin. Then they can't push you for that number one because the guy is 28 years old, he gets international experience, the guy is very good. And I just pray now healthy competition. Now what he learn himself they fear. So like this guy when they come in. Now so they play multiple competition. Matson I think they play Europa, Ramsey they play EPL, or I never know how Arteta won't do it. Well, that's the start to play. So if you don't watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you'll get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. Yesterday update and today update, but might not be the same. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your week and get them out.